Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we're going to be showing you how to make Chili Crisp Noodles. Cue the music. Alright, well I appreciate you joining us today. I appreciate you watching on whatever platform you watch on. We appreciate it very, very much. Like I said, we're going to be making Chili Crisp Noodles, and it's a very easy, simple recipe, very quick too. So let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of chili crisp, 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger minced, 1 tablespoon of fresh garlic minced, 1 green onion sliced, and a small bunch of cilantro chiffonade, and 8 ounces of any long noodle that you prefer to use. We'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get started making it. As you see here, I got the ramen noodles. I take the spice packet out of it because we're going to be adding better flavor than you could get from that. But you can use these, or you can use whatever long noodle, fettuccine, a spaghetti noodle if you want to, but just use a long noodle because the other ones really won't work out as well. First of all, the recipe is down in the description box or in the first pinned comment, so you can get the recipe for it. But you want to take those noodles, you want to make sure you got them cooked, ready to go, because this moves along pretty dang fast. So we've got our sesame oil right in here in a small bowl. Then you got your rice vinegar, your soy sauce, and your brown sugar, all getting mixed up. Kind of want to just mix this up. We're going to bring it all over to the stove, and that's about it. There's really no prep for this except, of course, your green onions and your cilantro, but we've got everything we need for this. Noodles are cooked. I'll meet you over at the stove. All right, we got everything at the stove here. Got our wok. I'm heating it up as we speak. Got our utensils. All of our mise en place behind us. Our noodles are cooked. I did save some water from when I drained them into the sieve there, and we're going to use that probably to kind of help it out. But I got all of our other ingredients. I'm going to focus on the pan. Start cooking. All right, got it about a medium to a medium high heat. You're going to take your chili oil, and you see how you got that oil in there? You want to throw all of that in there because this is where your flavor is coming from. We'll clean that out too. You want to stir this up really nice. You want to add your garlic and your ginger. Like I said, this is quick. Get that to just sizzle, cook. I'm going to throw about 1/3 of our cilantro and green onions in there. And I'm going to take that mixture we had right there. I'm going to pour that in there too. Then we're going to throw our noodles right in there. Stir it up. Oh, it smells fantastic. I got some tongs right here. Like I said, we got some of that water that were in the noodles. I'm just going to throw just a little bit in there. If you get too much, it'll always cook out. Wow, this smells fantastic. This is basically all there is to it. You got that going on. That looks good. That smells good. We're going to gather all of the stuff that's on the side of the wok, and it's going to go into it when we plate it up, which we're going to do right now. So stick around. We got some pictures rolling in. Take a look at those, and then we're going to come back and taste it. Beautiful pictures, gorgeous, gorgeous food. So now we're going to give it a taste. And before we taste it though, this is the brand of the Chili Crisp that I use. I've also got a card right here where I made some, so go ahead and check that out as well. But this is by far one of the best brands out there, and you can find it on Amazon, and you just use the link down in my store link down in my description box down there. There's a link for my Amazon store. You get that, and I will make a little bit of a commission off that if you buy it, but that'll save you a trip searching for it. So here we go. Taste test. Look at that. Look at that. Here we go. Man, right off the bat, heat, but not overpowering heat. It's oily. You get that garlic, that ginger, the soy sauce, the savoriness of that soy sauce, a little bit of crunch with that green onion, and the little bits of the garlic that's in the crisp, in the chili oil. Man, this is good. This is really good. Beautiful dish. Beautiful dish. Look at that. Quick, simple, easy to make, fast. You'll be eating it in no time. All you gotta do is get yourself some ingredients that are probably already in your cupboard or just at a quick trip to the store. Always carry ginger and garlic in your refrigerator. You'll use it. All right. Remember, the recipe is down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my seasoning shop over there at itsonlyfood.biz. Take care of yourselves. We love you. Hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.